We're gonna play monster truck.
Okay, monster truck. Welcome to the playground with us.
Yeah. It takes a while.
Spinning the monster trucks. Get it?
Mom!
You think he's gonna fall off?
Dang.
No. How about if Mom spins it? Do you think I'm gonna make it fall off?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, I did.
Move it too much.
Oh, you want to put both of them on there? Okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to do it first? You want to spin them? See if you can knock them off? Let's see.
Oh!
Ooh, you got one.
Yeah.
Can you get the other one?
I can do it. Yeah.
You got it. Yeah. Good job.
Oh,
Got the monster trucks watching Tony swing.
Mom,
Or about to swing.
Down.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, no.
It's a boat. With some rough seas.
What's he?
Rough seas.
Move.
It's a boat. You're on a boat.
My boat.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see an alligator, don't forget to scream. Ah!
I don't get it.
Alligator. You're so crazy.
Ooh, shoot.
What good balance you have. Are you sleeping?
Mom,
Uh-huh.
Mom, do it.
Do what? Push?
Yeah. Whoa.
No, don't stand up.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah.
Are you gonna get off?
No. My it's so fun. My it's so fun.
Is it so fun?
Yeah.
You're gonna lay down?
My can relax.
He's
Mom,
relaxing.
Mom, why are you pushing me?
I'm pushing you.
Okay. Yeah.
Push. He's relaxing. He has a hard life as a 4-year-old that isn't starting school yet.
Mom, I can do this. Why you
Oh, I thought you wanted to stop.
Mom, I know one.
Okay. Oh, look, he's hanging on by his feet. Oh no.
What?
What if
What?
both your feet are on the same way? Whoa. You're crazy.
Mom, I
What?
need you to put me.
You need me to push you.
Yeah.
Do not fall forward, or you will get hurt. Oh my gosh. Are you going to want to get off?
No.
You were just being dangerous.
Mom, I need relax. Like that.
Oh my god, that's not relaxing.
Then relax and
That looks very relaxing.
head like.
I'm jealous. My turn next.
Mom, I have balance.
You want to balance?
Yeah. Mom, I balance.
Okay.
Look. Mom, I
Doing
need you.
butterfly. Look at the beautiful sunset that we have going. And the monster truck's watching him. Oh, he's meditating. Are you meditating?
Mom, I need to get out.
Okay, you need to get off.
Mom, we're ready to shot now.
Okay, we're gonna race trucks. Okay.
We got no way shot.
We're gonna race trucks. Which slide are you going down? The double slide? Okay. Whoa, you didn't even let me get there. Oh my gosh. You landed on your butt.
Mom,
What?
I'm gonna do it again.
Okay. The monster trucks are gonna be coming.
No, I'm gonna walk on.
POV. He's rock climbing. Are the monster trucks gonna rock climb? Okay. We have this one climbing up. It's bumpy.
Bum.
Now this one. There we go.
Mom, we gonna big
Oh, the big slide. Okay, well, wait until I get there. This is the big
Mom, I'm
slide.
gonna do it.
It go a little bit of twisty and turnies. They're gonna start all the way up there. Oh! Neither of them landed it. Boo!
What?
They didn't land it. They landed on their side.
We're too tiny, guys.
Oh, let's do the tiny. I had to pick up. That's my job. As the cameraman and the monster truck deliverer.
Am I gonna do it funny, guys?
Do you think they're gonna land it? Ooh, aw, they almost close. One time we did land, one of them landed.
Mom, go on. Stop and beg.
Getting the monster trucks again. Go on something bigger. Okay.
They're gonna rock climb it.
They're gonna rock climb it. Really?
Rock climb it. Yeah. Doing wheel.
Ready? This one's gonna rock climb it. Oh. I get to take it.
Mom, we need to do it.
We're going to another slide.
Oh,
You went down with it? That's cool. Neither of them landed it.
Mom,
What? You're gonna push it up there? Is that what you're trying to do? Right. Oh, this one has to be right ways. Oh my gosh. Stay up there. I was fighting. I know this one. Let's do it.
no, I'm right here. I'm making Ricky.
Ah, I made it all the way up there.
Mom, I'm gonna
Oh.
do it.
We're going to the big slide.
Mom, I'm gonna go right behind Mom.
Okay, you're gonna go right behind this. Let's see.
Yeah.
Either of them gonna land it. He landed it! He didn't.
I'm gonna jump.
You jumped over it? That was cool.
Mom, I need to jump.
Oh, look at you. Got some skill. That twisty turny.
I need to do it. Show people.
Okay. I'm gonna help you out because I know how it is. Oh my God.
Mom, I need help.
We're gonna turn.
Yay!
You okay?
I'm so dirty.
You're so dizzy.
I'm gonna do it again. And no me.
Do it again, please.
Do it again. Whoa!
Oh my gosh. Don't let go.
I'm gonna do it again. Why gonna hang on
That's a
like
good
that?
idea.
What?
That's a good idea.
You need and you try.
Now you go on the other side.
I can. Mom, do it.
Do what?
Do it.
Spin it. Okay, just so you believe that he gets up there. He can do it. almost all by himself. He does need some support. Oh my. You're doing it. You're a good job. Okay, I'm gonna get to the other side. Okay, you focus on what you're doing. Focus. You're not looking at what you're doing. Climbing on top of the monkey bars.
Don't do that at home.
Yeah, don't do this at home.
Yeah. Okay?
Okay,
When you gonna do it?
I'm gonna do it.
After me.
I cannot. I'm scared.
Mom, don't be there.
Okay, you focus on what you're doing. Don't tell me not to be scared.
Mom, I all done.
Good job.
1,